Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in conversion rate optimization, we'll be discussing about building an A/B test. How you actually build an A/B test. What are the core key ingredients of building an A/B test? What are the stages of building an A/B test? Let's get started with it. How to build an A/B test? The process involved in building an A/B test. Define website and landing page goals. Before you actually get going with actually doing the A/B test, you need to define what are the goals of your website or the landing page. Define the goals, what the basic objective of this website or the landing page are, and what you intend to get out of it. Define KPIs, key performance indicators, extremely important. You define your key performing indicators, what is that you want to achieve as far as the KPIs are concerned. Build page variants. Build two different page variants. It could be a website page or it could be a landing page, and these two pages could be little slight changes or two different pages, but the objective of both the pages must be the same. Use segmentation to get actionable data. The segmentation in terms of demographics, in terms of geographies, in terms of age group, in terms of various customers of various geographies. Segment the data so that you can get the actionable data that can be analyzed. Measuring, prioritizing and testing. You measure, prioritize and test what actually have you achieved and what is actually you were intended to achieve as far as your key performance indicators and your goals that you have defined. Review analytics and define conversion. Now the most important point is before the test and what is after the test, what are the goals that you have achieved. Before the test, what were the goals that you have set for yourself, and after the test, what are the goals that you are setting for yourself. Then after that, you actually go on implementing your landing pages for the improved conversion rates. A/B test process. What actually is the process and how it works? Test pages, that is the step number one. You need to test the pages that you want to implement. It could be a website page, it could be a landing page, it could be a squeeze page. What is that you want to test, or it could be a sales page. Collect data. Once the testing is done, you collect the data of two different variants of the pages and ensure that you actually analyze the data. Identify goals. What are the goals that you have set before the test and what are the goals that you actually intend to set after the testing. Whether it can be the same, it can be more or it can be less depending upon the results of your analytical data. Generate hypothesis. Create a hypothesis scenario. Ensure that if this is the conversion rate that I have set before the test and after the testing this is the conversion rate that I want to achieve, you create an hypothesis of both the variants. Create variations. Ensure that you create two different variations and test that through the analytical data. Run experiments. You can run as many experiments as you want, and it is the most important thing in conversion rate optimization. The more the testing you do, the more the experiments you do, the better the conversion rate for you. Analyze results. Analyze the complete results of all the variants, all the testing that you have done across in terms of user engagement, in terms of achieving your goals. Take informed decisions. Once you analyze the data, you take the informed decisions and go by what actually is working and what is not working, and analyze why it is not working, and make sure that the next time you do the testing, you actually do the necessary tweaks so that the conversion rate improves. This is actually the process how you actually go building an A/B test. And there are 5 stages to building an A/B test. Now what are those 5 stages? Determine conversions to improve. What are the conversions that you want to improve are the areas. For example, if you are having 1,000 people visiting your landing page, now what is the conversion rate? If you are getting 100 leads out of it, or 100 registrations, or 100 sales, now ensure that you keep on improving so that you can go on improving your conversion rate. Hypothesis change. Create a hypothesis scenario and make sure that these changes are implemented the next time you run the implementation process. Identify variables and create variations. You need to identify the variations. What are the changes that you have done for one particular page, and what are the changes that you have done for the second page, and whether these pages are performing across as have been set by the goals during the testing process. Run the experiments after the variations, and you will actually able to measure the results in terms of what page is working and what page is not working. Based on these analysis, you actually go on implementing your landing page executions. These are the 5 different stages of your A/B test building process. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is how to build an A/B test process, and 5 stages of A/B testing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.